Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Google Pixel 4 XL. Now this is a TPU clear case made by GeekUp. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so you can get this case from Amazon. It's made by GeekUp. It's the Pixel 4 case, HD clear soft TPU case. Anti-scratch, anti-slip design for the Google Pixel 4. This is 6.3 inches, the black version. $12.99, but you can get a coupon that takes $2 or $3 off, $2 off, so you can get it for a little cheaper. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Here's the case. It's the fashion case, ultra slim, soft to the touch, powerful super protection. Not sure about that. We'll check it out. Simple packaging. Just pull it out right here. And you got another little plastic wrapper. Got a TPU, a foam inside. Let's put that to the side. Now, here's the case. It's a clear case, as you can see. It's very soft TPU case. Hopefully it fits tight. You got finished area for the camera. So it's going to be raised up a little bit and it'll protect the camera. No feet on the corner, so this back will touch the surface, so that might get scratched over time. We'll see how that works out. Glossy sides, buttons are covered, power button, up and down rocker right there. Nothing's textured, so you got a feel for that. Nothing on this side. You got your opening for your charging port, your speaker, and your other slot right there. And then you got your mic hole right there. Lanyard opening right there. No branding or anything on this. That's good. Now, like I said, I've been looking for a slim clear case with a black border, the shiny border. I like that. I prefer this over the completely clear case, but I've checked out a few of them and they've been too thick, like this speaking case right here. Now this is a good case. It fits really well, and if you want more protection, this is going to be the good right one for you, but it's a little bit too thick for me. As you can see, they got the thickness on these cases right there. But this is a speaking. This is going to be a good protection case. This one is for looks, so you can see the clear back, minor scratch protection right there. All right, that's the difference. Now let's go ahead and put the Pixel 4 in and let's see how it looks. Okay, so we got the Pixel 4 XL right here. Let's put it in. Let's slide the bottom in first. Good thing about the Pixel 4 XL is the back is matted, at least the white version, so you won't get the watermarks like you normally would get for the glass back, but that's got the glass material. Now this fits very nice, no slipping, nothing's moving right now, so that's pretty good. As you can see, the camera is covered because this is raised up, this finished area right here, but nothing to protect the backside, like any feet or anything, so that's going to touch the surface. The camera opening, as you can see, lines up right there, and your bottom, everything lines up there. Speaker, charging port, and your other speaker grill right there. Your little mic hole right there. Nothing on this side is clear, and then you got your vibe up and down and your power button right there. That all works pretty good. Okay, let's see if you got any lip. Very minimal lip, but you do have a little bit there, as you can see. And you can put the phone down on the front, although I wouldn't throw it around pretty hard, but you can put it down. You're gonna have some protection from the surface. But it's a minimal lip, and I like that. I don't like too high, so it interferes with my sliding around on the device. But this is what I wanted, and this looks good. Shows off the Pixel, nice contrast with the black and white right there. This is exactly what I wanted. Not too thick, but still gives me that good minimal protection, scratch protection from the scratches. I don't drop my phone very much. I hardly ever drop my phone. I'm pretty careful with it, so I feel good and confident about using this case. All right, now we're going to check out wireless charge on this case. Okay, so let's check out wireless charge. Let's put this on. Okay, I didn't think it would be any problem. So this charges pretty well. Slim design. It's going to be no problem charging on any type of charger you use. Okay, so that was a quick look at another case for the Google Pixel 4 XL. This case is made by GeekUp. It's a clear HD TPU case. You can get it at Amazon, $12.99. I will put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.